If you haven't already subscribed, make sure you subscribe to the channel and click on the bell icon to get notified of new videos.
Hey YouTube, what's up? Munchie here, back with another video, and in this video we're going to have a look at the leaked Google Pixel 3 live wallpapers. Now, all credits for the leak go to Ishan Agarwal. I will have a link to the APK in the description of the video, and I will also have a mirror to the file because the Google Drive link seems to have exceeded bandwidth. So the first thing which we're going to do is we will go ahead and install the APK, and then we'll go ahead and have a look at those live wallpapers. So we'll go ahead and open the app drawer, and then we'll go ahead and click on files. Once we are inside files, we will go to the essential ph1 root directory, and over here I have already copied in the APK file. I'll go ahead and select this guy, click on continue, and then click on install. Once the APK has installed successfully, we will go ahead and click on done, and then we will go ahead and click on the home button. Back on the home screen, long press. I'm using Nova Launcher. We'll go into wallpapers and we'll scroll. We'll select the option called live wallpapers. So these are all the live wallpapers which got installed. The first one is a drop in the ocean and it wants my location access. I'll go ahead and click on allow. So once this guy has access to your location, this guy will go ahead and replicate the current of water around your location. So whatever water bodies you have around your location, this guy is going to replicate that. You have three color options for this guy. The one which I already showed you in coral, then you have seaweed, and then you have waves. Next up you have the bird's eye view. This is from the Zion National Park, and as you can see we have birds flying around over here. So far this one is my favorite. Next up you have the bloom series. So you have three options for the bloom series as well: cloud, sky and sunrise. The wallpaper will respond to your touches, and it will also respond to notifications, unlocking and many more. So you have bloom cloud, you have bloom sky, and then you have bloom sunrise. Out of all these three, my favorite is the bloom sky because of the blue tone. Next up you have the bubble up series, and again you have three color options: lemon, peach and plum. With this guy, the colors will bounce around the screen as we touch the screen, and if you tilt the screen, even then the colors will bounce around as well. Next up we have the burst series, which again has three color options: the dark, the forest and you have midnight. The burst one is kind of similar to the bloom one. I just think it's like a more dark themed bloom, because again it says over here that the screen will respond to touch and the wallpaper will also respond to notifications, unlocking and other actions which you take. Next up you have a city silhouette. I hope I pronounced that word correctly. So this one is for New York and it will change dynamically throughout the day and night. You have another one for San Francisco as well. Next up we have the groove series, and again you have three options. You have after dark, you have chill and you have party. This guy responds to music, so if you are at a party, the live wallpaper will respond to the tone of the music playing. Pretty awesome wallpaper if you are at a club or at a party. Next up you have Light the Way from a small town called Schwiz. Now that right there was a pretty cool live wallpaper. Wow, I'm impressed with this guy as well. Okay, moving forward. Next up you have Marvelous Marble. This guy is inspired by Apollo 17's blue marble, and it will view your location from the space and give you real-time clouds and lightning data from weather.com. Very fancy and for the tech nerd out there. Next up, we have the moonshot. And this guy will get you up close and personal with the moon and observe lunar phases in real time. Next up, we have New Horizon. This is the planet Pluto and its two faces. So you will have red tones during the day and mysterious blue during the night. Again, a very fancy wallpaper. Next up, you have the Pixie series. Again, three options: cobalt, emerald, and periwinkle. So, this guy will automatically or magically appear when your phone is at rest, and it goes on a journey when you unlock your phone. Next up, you have the tropical Voyage for the Malolo Barrier Reef. It takes you down into the reef and you can just have a great experience with this live wallpaper. As you can see, we have a boat going around. So again, another impressive live wallpaper. Last but not the least, you have white sands from the desert. And this is the Sonoran Desert from United States and Mexico. So those are the live wallpapers which you get from the Google Pixel 3 APK leak. My personal favorite amongst all these is the bird's eye view. Which is your personal favorite? Let me know via comments below. That's it for this video, YouTube. Likes, shares and subscribes are appreciated. Feedback and comment more than welcome. See you when I see you.